Good evening, students. So today we will continue with the revision of chapter number 6, lines and angles. Our last topic left, that was two theorems. First is angle sum property and second is exterior angle property. Our last exercise 6.3 is based on these two properties. So let us start with first theorem, angle sum property. Here we have to prove that sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180. We have given a triangle ABC and we have to prove sum of its angle, that is angle A plus B plus C is equal to 180. Firstly we have written its given and then to prove. Now here to prove this we will do one construction, that is we will draw a line YX parallel to BC. This we have written in construction. Now let us start with proof. As YX is parallel to BC, we have discussed about the parallel lines. AB is transversal, these two are parallel. Then angle 4 will be equal to angle 2, alternate interior angle. Similarly, angle 5 is equal to angle 3, that is also alternate interior angle. Now, angle 4, 1 and 5, these three lies on the same line. So, sum of these three angles 180. Write down here 4 plus 1 plus 5 is equal to 180, angles on same line. 4 is equal to 2, 5 is equal to 3, alternate interior angles. Okay, put these values here in this equation. So in place of 4 we have written 2 and in place of 5 we have written 3. 2 plus 1 plus 3 is equal to 180. That is angle A plus B plus C is equal to 180. Now this result we will use in our questions. Okay. Next is exterior angle property. What is exterior angle property? We have to show that in a triangle, exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Okay. Now this is triangle ABC. If one side of this triangle is produced, here one angle formed, this is exterior angle. We have to show this exterior angle is equal to sum of these two opposite interior angles. Firstly written given triangle ABC where BC is produced to point D. To prove angle A plus B is equal to angle ACD. Now let us see its proof. We have mentioned these angles by 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Now angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 180 by angle sum property. Now we have proved. Then angle 3 plus 4, this is also 180. Why? Linear pair, angles on same line. Now both equal to 180, so we can equate these two. Angle 3 cancel on both sides. Then angle 1 plus 2 is equal to angle 4, or we can write angle A plus B is equal to ACD. This is our exterior angle property. Now if suppose we have taken this one as exterior angle, this as exterior angle, name it as 5, then it will be equal to angle 1 plus 3. Okay, angle 1 plus 3 is equal to angle 5. And if we have produced this side here, this angle 6, then this angle will be equal to angle 2 plus 3, means exterior angle will be equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Okay, so these two results will be used in exercise 6.3 and in the examples. You will firstly try these two theorems and exercise examples, and if any doubt is there then you can discuss with me in Zoom class. Okay students, so your now 6th chapter revision has been completed. Extra questions also I have sent you. Try all the questions and discuss your problems with me. Thank you.